In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inspect and protect a PowerPoint presentation. First, have your presentation open in PowerPoint. To start cleaning out hidden data, go to the File tab in the top left corner. This opens Backstage View, where the Info section gives you a snapshot of the file's health and details, including permissions, document properties, and the inspection tools we need. Choose Info on the left if it isn't already selected, then look for Check for Issues. Click it and pick Inspect Document from the dropdown. If PowerPoint asks you to save before continuing, choose Yes so the inspection analyzes the most current version of your work. The Document Inspector dialog will appear with a list of items it can scan. For a thorough check, leave all the checkboxes selected and click Inspect. PowerPoint will quickly analyze the file and display results by category. Take a moment to review what it found, things like comments, document properties, hidden text, and other metadata. These elements can carry personal or organizational details you don't intend to share. To clear identifying information, locate the sections labeled Document Properties and Personal Information, then click Remove All next to them. This action strips out hidden data such as author names, company details, and embedded metadata that rides along with the file. If other categories show results, remove only what's necessary so you don't lose content you meant to keep. When you're satisfied, click Close to exit the Document Inspector. At this point, your presentation is cleaned of personal details and behind-the-scenes data. Now let's discourage changes by marking the file as final. Head back to the File tab, confirm you're on Info, and choose Protect Presentation. A drop-down will appear with protection options. Select Mark as Final. PowerPoint will display a confirmation message explaining that the file will be marked as complete and editing features will be disabled. Click OK to accept. If a second confirmation appears, click OK again. Mark as Final places the presentation in a read-only state and clearly signals to reviewers that the content is complete. It's not a lock or encryption, rather it's a helpful nudge that prevents accidental edits unless someone deliberately enables editing. That's it. You've inspected the presentation for hidden data, removed personal information, and marked the file as final, so it's cleaner, safer to share, and less likely to be changed by mistake.